Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a blessed day, and today in the kitchen I will be showing you guys how to make baked fish in a delicious cheese sauce. To get started, here I have some grouper fish fillets that I seasoned ahead of time. I will be using some heavy whipping cream, some flour, chopped cherry tomatoes, minced garlic, fresh dill. If you don't have dill, you can use parsley. I have some gouda cheese, some sharp white cheddar. I'll be using some butter, and for the seasonings I have creole seasoning, complete seasoning, and black pepper. So here's how I seasoned my fish using 3 simple ingredients. But first I washed the fish in lemon juice and I added some complete seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, and black pepper. Before we add the seasonings, I pat the fish dry so there's less moisture, and we will coat the fish on both sides with those seasonings. Once we're done, we'll get started on the cheese sauce. Please be reminded that you can use any fish that you like for this recipe. You could even use salmon if that's what you prefer. Here in my preheated skillet, I will now add my butter and allow it to melt. Once the butter melts, we'll then add our garlic and tomatoes and allow them to go for about 2 minutes. Next, we'll add our flour and we will cook that for about 3 minutes. We want to cook away that rawness before adding our heavy cream. Once the flour is cooked, we'll go in with the heavy cream, mix well, and allow it to come up to a simmer. It will thicken up a little and then we'll start adding our cheese. So at this point, we'll start adding our cheese and we will mix, allowing it to melt. Then we'll add our seasonings to add flavor and taste. And the last thing we'll add is our fresh dill. We'll then turn the heat off and we will start assembling our fish. Here in my greased baking dish, I will now start assembling the fish. First, we'll put down some sauce so that nothing sticks and the fish gets to sit in that yummy sauce. Then we will place a little of that sauce over top of the fish and we will add some freshly grated cheese. Then we'll top it with some fresh dill and we will place this in a 425-degree oven for about 20 minutes. The last 5 minutes you can set your oven on boil and give it that nice golden brown top. If not, you can just let the fish cook for the full 20 minutes in the 425 oven. And that's it guys, super simple and easy. After 20 minutes, this is how your fish should be looking. Super yummy and delicious. Now let's fix us a plate. So today I'll be enjoying my baked fish with some mashed potatoes and some garlic butter green beans. Guys, when I tell you this dish was absolutely amazing, my entire family enjoyed it. You could also have this with rice or pasta. The fish is simply amazing and I do hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, And don't forget guys, hit that subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.